Today we read Jonah 1 through 4 for day 188. This story has particularly personal application for me, so forgive me if I'm a little long today, or you can skip ahead to the song. It's okay. It was March 2 years ago when God first gave me the idea for this channel. I'd been writing down in my Bible recap book worship songs that would go along with the lesson if they came to my mind. At first, I brushed it off as a cute idea, but then it just came stronger and stronger, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I just used the songs to listen and worship afterwards while I was on my morning walk. But then I started looking into what it would take to do this, and I recognized very quickly that this would be a huge undertaking with the filming and editing and uploading and all that. And I also believe that not many people would really care or listen, so I'd be doing it alone and for nobody. So I made a bunch of excuses and said, it's way too hard, no thank you. And then I started a real estate YouTube channel instead. And at first it went really well, then fast forward to last year, and I got sicker than I have ever been with hormone issues for several months, and had the worst year in real estate that I've ever had. I spent the year visiting doctor after doctor, and we did finally figure it out after 7 different ones. And then in early November of last year, I was teaching the story of Jonah to our elementary kids at church one Sunday. So as I'm teaching, the whole point of the story was that God kept asking Jonah to do something specific, and Jonah kept avoiding it because he didn't want to do it. I almost started crying in the middle of teaching because I knew instantly that that was me. I knew because this nagging in the back of my mind every single morning as I read my Bible and every single time I was worshiping at church on Sunday morning. The next day, I opened day 1 of the Bible recap again, and I started putting together a plan. And well, it turns out that all of my excuses have indeed been true, but God is bigger than my excuses and my problems and time. I've still had all the time I needed to do this and take care of everything else. And here we are, day 188. And as Tara Leigh always says, He is in fact where the joy is. Would you join me in responding in worship today as we sing, Look What God Has Done, from Voss and Madison Street Worship.
In every valley, He has been faithful to provide. Even in shadows, He scatters the darkness with His light. In every season, He has sustained me with His word. Like a good shepherd, He leads me steady and secure. Oh, look what God has done. He's been here all along, all through the changing of the tides. He's been constant, He's been kind. Oh, look what God has done. His love surrounding us, all through the fire and the flood. He has always been enough. He's been enough. Let's build an altar, worship together and bow down in awe of His wonders. Let all of heaven hear the sound. Oh, look what God has done. He's been here all along, all through the changing of the tide. He's been constant, He's been kind. Oh, look what God has done. His love surrounding us, all through the Oh, look what God has done. He's been here all along, all through the changing of the tides. He's been constant, he's been kind. Oh, look what God has done. His love surrounding us, all through the fire and the flood. He's always been enough. Oh, he's been enough. He's been enough.
Look what God has done. He's always been here. And he's always and will always be enough. My prayer for you and I both is that we will keep seeking him through his word and finding him. I hope you will continue to join me as we keep worshiping every day through the fire and the flood. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.